Bienvenidos, Ushamdi, and welcome to this INE course, MPLS History, Fundamentals, and Foundational Concepts, which is part of the Network Engineer's Guide to MPLS, INE Learning Path. My name is Travis Bonfili, and I'm really excited about this INE course and looking forward to working with you to help you master MPLS and achieve your career and certification goals. So, what are you going to learn during this course? We're going to be taking a deep dive look at the history of MPLS from the inception of the IETF MPLS working group through the many IP-based solutions that existed prior to the release of MPLS and why MPLS was the right technology at just the right time. We'll take a look at VRF Lite, Easy Virtual Network or EVN, policy-based routing, and L2TP v3. The course also covers the logistical items for not only this course, but for the entire learning path and all of the courses therein by detailing how every configuration file for every device in any module where we're doing configuration work can be accessed either as a VIRL file or just a plain text file. We're going to cover foundational concepts like the control plane and the data plane, the key terminology that we're going to need to understand like label switch router, LSR, label switch path, LSP, forwarding equivalence class, FEC, upstream and downstream, and basic label distribution protocol concepts. So let's talk about some of the prerequisites for this course. The first prerequisite is we want to have an understanding of basic networking concepts. This is going to include IPv4, IPv6, subnetting, and common Cisco terminology. Then, we're also going to need to have access to the iOS or iOS XE CLI. It's going to be critical that we get that hands-on experience to reinforce the concepts that we're learning about. And then, maybe most importantly, is a mindset to master MPLS. Now, there are going to be a number of course objectives that we're going to be focused on. The first course objective is going to be to understand the reason for MPLS and its key applications. We're going to learn about the IP-based solutions similar to MPLS, and we're going to master the key terminology related to MPLS. Now, when it comes to achieving your certification and career goals and functioning in a real-world enterprise or service provider network, it's critical to understand that there is no substitution for deliberate hands-on practice activities. The Cisco certification exams are experience-based and extremely challenging to pass. So taking this first course that's part of the INE Learning Path, the Network Engineer's Guide to MPLS, is going to be your critical first step to success. So let's dive in and prepare you for MPLS and for success. I'm really looking forward to helping you achieve your goals by taking the Network Engineer's Guide to MPLS Learning Path at INE and this course on MPLS Fundamentals. So now it's time for us to get in there and crush it. Here we go.